Hey guys, have a look at this camcorder right here. There's our instruction manual right up top. I'm going to set that aside so we don't lose that. Let's take a look at the main piece right here. Very nice storage bag. Everything packaged really nicely, by the way. All our other parts and pieces, nicely organized. 4K Ultra HD. Can't beat that. Doesn't get any higher than 4K, I don't think. Trying to keep up with the latest tech. Let's see if there's a battery in here. Oh, there is a battery in there. Look at that. Let's see if it comes with a charge. Sometimes they do, sometimes they don't. Let me get that film off of there if I can. I need two hands. There we go. Let's fire it up and see if there's any juice. If not, no problem. I'll just throw it in the charger. Yeah, we'll charge it right up. I'll get some pictures, write some words on it. There's another port right there. We got a lens hood. This will help block out the sun. We got another battery right here too. I'll throw that in the charger as well. We got a 2-bay battery charger right here. Get that going. Here's the cord we'll need. Looks like you can plug into any kind of a USB port. So we'll get that going. Here's our microphone. And stabilizer. A little bit of assembly for optimal use, but it doesn't take long at all. I'm going to go ahead and do that, assemble this. I'll take a few pictures. Hopefully the battery doesn't let charge for too long, we'll see. I'll get a few pictures of that too, show it working. And I'll write some words on it. Thanks for checking it out.
Comes with a remote, microphone, 2 batteries. Very lightweight, easy to hold, easy to use.